What are you saying? Hi, India. I hear you chattering. Meow, 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 meow. That's our India. Yeah. India is an adoptable cat. Whoops! From the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire. Currently navigating her place here at PetSmart in Nashua. Hey, India. Yeah, India likes to talk. Meow, meow, meow. India likes to have scratching posts. What else are you going to demonstrate, India? How you can scratch yourself? Yeah, did I say scratch? Did you say you're doing it on demand? Hi, is that for you? Is that for you to go home in? Oh, I wish. Hello, what a cute little girl you are. Where are you going? You're such a busy kitty. Yes. You're always all over the place. And stating your opinion about things too. Hey, India. Hello. We need to get you a scratching post, do we? What's that? Hi, girl. Yeah, wow to you too. Little dark here, India. Meow, meow. There's the scratching post. There you go, girl. India likes to sleep on her back. She's so funny the way she does that too. You're a character. You just make people laugh, don't you? Bye.